Beef Chow Fun. Ingredients. For the beef in marinade: 8 ounces flank steak, 225 grams, sliced into 1/8 thick pieces. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, optional. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. For the rest of the dish: 12 ounces fresh white rice noodles, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 4 scallions, split in half vertically and cut into 3-inch pieces, 3 thin slices ginger, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing wine, ½ teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons regular soy sauce, 1/8 teaspoon sugar, salt and white pepper, to taste. 4 to 6 ounces fresh mung bean sprouts. Instructions. Combine the beef and marinade ingredients and marinate for about 1 hour. Some fresh rice noodles come as large sheets, while others are already cut. If you have the sheets, slice the rice noodles so they're about 1 inch wide. If the noodles are very stiff and stuck together, bring a wok full of water to a boil, and add the noodles. Blanch them for 30 seconds to loosen. Transfer to a nice bath and drain thoroughly. Heat your wok over high heat until smoking.